Welcome to this exquisite 4-bedroom, double-storey home in the heart of Forde. It is spacious, modern and fitted with high-quality inclusions, and we cannot wait to show you through. With open-plan living and dining, multiple living areas and north-facing spaces that flood the home with natural light, this property is perfect for both relaxation and entertainment. Downstairs provides 3 spacious bedrooms for the whole family, while the upstairs boasts a private master suite with a convenient study nook, making the perfect space for work or study. Step outside to find an ideal setting for gatherings and relaxation, with an immaculate outdoor entertaining area fitted with speakers and ceiling fans. The home backs onto reserve lands, offering a sense of tranquility and privacy that's hard to match. This home is a true gem, blending elegance and functionality in a prime location. Don't miss the opportunity to make it yours. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Shay Davies, proudly representing Stone Real Estate, and welcome to number 98 Blizzard Circuit here in Forde.